are going to love the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, power locks, security alarm, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, power convenience group, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.